So let's proceed. So now on this one we are given 2y minus 3, 2 to the power y minus 3, and 1 over 60. So now this is an exponential equation. So this one is an exponential equation, and the second one is y squared plus xy equals 24. So now which one to use? So basically I would prefer this one. So now why this one? Because of its exponent. So as long as I know, okay, to 116, I know it's 2 to the power 4. So negative 1 over 16 is the reciprocal of that. So it's 2 to the power negative 4. So it's easy for me to find y, the equation of y from this one, because of I already know like when you have the basic knowledge of exponents, it will be easier for you to solve this one. This one, it will be harder. Why? Because of this one is an x squared, so definitely you cannot use this one. This one, it's x and y, so it's a product of x and y. So basically for you to remove one from the other, you just have to, it's either you will do this, divide by x, and divide by let's just say we put this one on the other side. You just divide by x, divide by x. So you see now it's gonna be y equals to 24 minus x squared over x. Yeah, it's basically gonna be like that. So yeah, if you want to proceed with this one, you can, but you know, I always go for the simplest one of them all to solve for the equation 3, so that I won't make things more complicated before the complicated part begin of finding the x and y. So that is the complicated part. This one is not really complicated, so hence why you rather use this less complicated equation to solve for the third equation. So it's going to be 2 to the power y. So first step is to shift this in a base of 2, which will be 2 to the power 4. How do you find this? You can just go to log base 2 and just do 1 over 60. Then it will give you this one. It will give you negative 4. So now let's remove these bases because of they are the same. We deal with the exponents. So y minus 3x. So basically here you can just simply just take 3x to the other side. The bit is nil. Let's just proceed. We will hold on just for longer, just for a few more minutes. We will hold on. So it will be negative 3 to the other side. It's be negative 4 plus 3x. So this is our equation 3. This one. This will be our equation 3. So remember, next step we have to do substitution. So we substitute our equation 3 into our equation 2. So substitute equation 3 into equation 2. So now bx plus xy equals to 24. Then where there is y, we just substitute with negative 4x plus 3x. So basically I know even though you all may be you'll do it like this, it's still the same thing, guys. Either you started with 3 or started with negative 4, just the same thing. So x squared plus x multiplied by 3 minus 4 equals to 24. 4. So let's deal with this. It's factorization. So it's x multiplied by 3x. So it's going to be 3x squared. Then x multiplied by minus 4 is negative 4x plus x squared equals to 24. So from here, basically you can see the like terms here and here. So let's it's gonna be 4x squared minus 4x. Then let's take 24 to the other side. It will be negative 24 equals to 0. Okay? So now, basically here, it's easy for us to proceed here. So let's check 4 and 4 and 24. So we know that 4 is divisible here. So divide this by 4, everything by 4 by 4. You know that here it's gonna be x squared, which is 1x squared, minus 1x minus 8. No, 7, sorry. 6. Okay. So let's proceed. So basically here we can just factorize it easy. It's x minus 3 and then positive 2 is equals to 0. X will be 3 or x will be negative 2. Okay? So we found equations of x. Let's now find the equations of y. So it will be let's just substitute into equation 3. So it's going to be y equals to negative 4 plus 3 multiplied by 3. It's going to be negative 4 plus 9, which will be positive 5. So here it's going to be negative 4 plus 3 times negative 2, which will be negative 4 minus 6, which will be negative 10. So that's it. You'll understand. Remember, whenever you are given these equations, simultaneous equations, definitely they ain't gonna give you the simplest ones from grade 10 and 9. So if you are given two complicated equations, make sure to remember here, basically remember algebra includes exponents, linear equations, although these are linear equations, but remember you are permitted to use any knowledge that you have from other branches of algebra so that you can deal or solve those equations. Remember that. So if you are given something like this, it's an exponential equation, you can just simply use all the rules and all the knowledge that you have from exponents, and then from there on you just simply deal with the questions easier. So remember here, make sure you don't take a complicated equation and try to form equation 3, because you'll be stuck here for the whole 20 minutes or the whole 10 minutes in just finding equation 3. And when it comes to the more complicated stuff like this ones, when you just have to substitute, then it will be more and more and more complicated and strenuous for you. So make sure, take the easy route. I know it's not really one of the good advices I would give, but don't make life too complicated. If you are given something, a simpler equation, just use it to solve the equation 3. Remember, equation 3 is the starting point to the final root. So yeah, the root is this one. This is the raise. So this is just the the starting point. Yeah. So don't make life too complicated. So that's it for today. It was very nice doing these equations with you, and I hope you all enjoyed it too. So if you have not yet subscribed, please do the right thing right now. Make sure you click that subscribe button, make sure you click that notification bell, and make sure you browse through our endless series of past paper questions and other helpful resources that you can use for your own aid in other subjects except for maths. So it was nice doing this lesson with you, and for today it's a wrap, and peace out. All the best. We love you.